Hi, welcome back. In this section, we'll talk about two topics. The first one is points to remember while transforming our organization digitally, and the second one is steps involved in digital transformation. So, the first point is rewards and recognition. Rewards and recognition plays a very important role not only for transformation but also in general. It motivates the employee and make them feel valued. It makes them feel that their efforts are being recognized by the organization, and in return they put a lot more effort than usual. Rewards can be monetary or it can be non-monetary. Non-monetary rewards can include some extra time off or a day off, public recognition of their work, giving them great learning opportunities, or giving a project of their choice. All these will come under non-monetary rewards. The second one is continuous feedback. Continuous feedback, once again, continuous feedback about an employee to get a holistic view about a candidate. So this should be taken by the HR from the line manager about each and every employee. So not only from the line manager but also from the peers, and if it is a customer oriented company, then from the customers also. This helps the HR to know that which kind of employee they have, and depending on that their pay or promotion etc. can be decided. Third one is learning culture. So continuous learning culture should be there in the company. From time to time training should be given to them, learning goals should be given to them, and a process should be there to share information among all, and this will in turn improve the teamwork and help in increasing the engagement of an employee. Next one is open communication. Open communication should be there among all. The communication should not be from top to bottom or bottom to top level, but each and every one should participate in whatever in all the company goals, or if any new target is there, then there should be open communication about that. So it encourages innovation. Everyone should work in collaboration and share their ideas and experience. So HR should convey the change message to all. So if HR has identified that yes, we are going to digitally transform our organization, and for this we have to follow these steps or we have to explore new ideas, then all this message should be conveyed to all and make them a part of this change, because as I have already told it many times that this change is not a one-man job. Everyone in the company, whether they are working in any of the fields or any of the departments, they have to be a part of this change and they should be ready for the change. Next point is fully compliant. So this means that all the paperwork should be fully compliant. On the paper side of things, because HR is generally considered as an administrative kind of job, so there are a lot of paperwork involved, and lot of taxes has to be filled, lot of what we can say challans has to be filed. So on that part there should be no problem. Okay, so it should be fully compliant. Every guideline should be fully compliant, every rule should be followed, because this is the basic of HR, and after we have to make sure that we don't have to worry on this aspects of HR, and then only we can focus on other big things. Next point is flexible work culture. So we have already discussed this many times that now is the era of flexible work culture. So both the option, either working from home or working from office, should be there. Cloud-based HR. That means cloud-based platforms are used for doing HR work. So what is cloud-based HR? It is a centralized platform where all your data are stored. So this helps in protecting the data from unauthorized access and helps to maintain a global record. Here the benefit is that we can fetch the data at any time and from anywhere. So there are a lot of companies who are giving a cloud-based platform. So we can either buy those platforms or we can use it as a subscription, like pay a monthly fees. But this is the need of today's HR. Next point is use of new technology and skill. So with time to time, new technologies are coming. The use of automation and artificial intelligence have increased a lot. So we should incorporate those new technologies in our system, as it will increase productivity, and we should think of investing in human capital development and giving them proper growth, proper career growth. Employee experience. So overall, whatever experience as an employee has, right from onboarding to the exit of his period from the company, the overall experience should be great, as it will help to improve the reputation of the company and will help in enhancing the culture of the company. Use of analytics in HR. So data driven HR should be there. Employee readiness for change. So agile mindset should be there, growth mindset should be there of everyone in the company. We are not talking about HR analytics here in detail, because we will be covering it in the coming sections. So apart from all these points, we should also remember that transparency about business information is very essential. All the data about our company should be clearly conveyed to our employees. And selective hiring, like selective hiring to bring in employees with specific skill set should be there. So all these points we have to consider it as a base point, as a reference point while doing any transformation. And any new change can only be successfully possible if these points are always kept in mind. So with this, we have completed this topic. Now moving on to the next topic, steps involved in digital transformation. So these are some of the steps which is involved in digital transformation. The first one is identify where you are lagging behind and set your goals accordingly. So first we have to identify the loopholes or the areas where the change or the transformation is needed, and accordingly we have to set our goal and then start working on it. The next one is communicate your goals to your employees and involve everyone in. So telling all the people, all the employees of your organization about what you are trying to achieve, taking their ideas, involving everyone, having an open communication, a collaborative approach will help to achieve your goals more easily. Third one is develop a strategy for this transformation. So after asking innovative ideas from all, a strategy should be there that following these steps we will be able to transform the organization or transform that loophole successfully. As we all know that without a strategy nothing is possible. So having a clear-cut plan will help in this transformation journey. Implement the new plan and start using new HR tools and practices and processes. So suppose we have after doing a lot of research, we came out with a plan that okay, while following this plan we will be able to transform our HR. So after implementing the new plan, we should start using the new, if you are suppose we are using new tools and processes, we have taken some new softwares for updating a particular part of our HR. So we should start using those tools and processes. and then take feedback from employees and leaders. So whosoever is using those tools, we should take feedback from everyone, from our peers, from our customers, from our employees. So in this way we will have a very clear understanding about what are the problems everyone is facing while using that new tool. Track the progress of your HR transformation. So again, this is a continuous process. So again, we have to see that, okay, till what we have achieved, what was our goal. So a continuous looking back to our goals and our current progress should be there. Make change to plan if required, and repeat the process. So if we see that if the previous idea is not working, then we should work on the new idea and then again try to implement it. So it is a repetitive process. Every time we have to do, like, discover new ideas, try to implement it, take feedback from others. If it's working, okay, fine, then we should implement the same idea to the whole organization. If it's not working, then we should again work on some new ideas. So it's a continuous process. So these are some of the rough steps which is involved in digital transformation. So this was all about this section. Thank you. See you in the next section. Bye bye.